The MER extension identifies a MapInfo interchange file containing geographic data exported for exchange between MapInfo installations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you import, convert, or troubleshoot these GIS data interchange files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise, a dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like MER. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. MER files are MapInfo Interchange Format files containing geographic vector data with associated attribute tables, exported for data exchange between different MapInfo Pro installations and versions. They package map data in a portable text-based format. MapInfo MER interchange files use a text-based format containing table definitions, column specifications, coordinate system information, and geographic feature data, including points lines and polygons, with their associated database attribute records. The industry standard application for MER is considered to be MapInfo Pro from Precisely. Full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows requires external GIS programs to view, modify, or analyze geographic content. The solution starts by inspecting the application list. Right-click the MER file and choose Open With. Use MapInfo Pro as your primary choice. If it fails, select another program. Be systematic in your testing. If your MER file isn't cooperating, don't worry. General troubleshooting won't work on this MER file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, importing data. Open MapInfo Pro and use Table. Then import to load the MER file. MapInfo converts the interchange format to native tab format for use in mapping projects. Verify the coordinate system and attribute data are correctly imported after conversion. Next, converting to other formats. After importing MER files into MapInfo Pro export to other GIS formats using Table then Export. Save as GeoPackage Shapefile or KML for cross-platform GIS compatibility. Use OGR2 OGR from GDAL for command line format conversion if MapInfo is unavailable. Finally, troubleshooting import issues. If MER import fails, check the file for formatting errors in a text editor. Verify the coordinate system definition is valid. Ensure the MER file version matches your MapInfo Pro version's import capabilities. Contact the data provider for corrected files if formatting issues persist. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.